everybody, this is Ryan, COO of Environmental Laboratories, which is a parent company of Safe Home Water Test Kits, drinking water test kits. And this is Lindsay.
Hello.
What do you do, Lindsay?
I am the sales manager for Safe Home.
Yes, she is. This is the first video in a 5-video series on the most common objections that we hear from clients before they finally come on board and decide to do business with us. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be walking you through some of these conversations that we've had with some of our clients, and I think it's going to be really helpful in helping you understand what we do, why we do it, and ultimately the most important thing, how it can help you all.
Right.
All right, Linz. So today we're going to talk specifically about the objection that says it's just too difficult to get started.
Right.
What do you do with that?
It's actually pretty simple. It really comes down to figuring out what kit works best for your business model.
Mm-hmm.
Once you and I
What
have
their goals are, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So once you and I have a conversation about that, basically it looks like, oh, I want to do a do-it-yourself test kit, or I want to do a lab-certified test kit. I want to offer post-testing after a treatment solution's been put in, or a pre-test to see what needs the customer even has. We can nail that down pretty quick. At that point, we decide how many kits you're going to get. We create an account for you, and
Which is
then-
super simple.
Super simple. It's literally 5 minutes, and then verify payment information, and you can have kits within 2 to 3 days. So
Yeah, depending on which route they go.
Exactly.
It's a pretty simple process. But
Right.
So is that usually the end of it?
yeah, so at that point, I really leave an open door concept for them,
Yeah.
because at that point they need to have their questions answered. You know,
Sure.
you're not just out there flying free. So we're here to help make the process as seamless as possible and leave you on a successful note. So
Awesome. I love it. Easy. What are you waiting for?
call me.
Pull the trigger. Yeah, call it. Okay, well, till next week, we'll be talking specifically about I don't know, the objection that says I don't know how to use your kits in my sales flow.
Right.
So
That's going to be good. So stay tuned.
yeah, absolutely. We'll see you next week.